In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your bank to your Wise account. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap the balance you want to receive money into. For example, euros, Great British pounds, or US dollars. Then, tap Account Details. Here you'll see the bank details Wise gives you, like account number, or IBAN, sort code or routing number, and the account holder name. Now, open your online banking app or website. Start a new bank transfer, or send money. For the recipient, enter the Wise account holder name and the account number, or IBAN, exactly as shown in Wise. If your bank allows it, add any payment reference that Wise recommends. Choose the same currency as the Wise balance. Enter the amount you want to send. Then review your bank's fees and delivery time before you confirm the transfer. Once your bank processes it, the money will appear in your Wise balance, ready to hold, convert, or send abroad. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.